everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell so you can get notified. So I'm about to go with Deja'S. My phone is Dollar Tree. So cute. Oh, look, like this is a statue. That is so cute. And it's like that. I mean, come on now, y'all. A throw blanket and you get a little scrunchy is so cute. Come on now, guys. That is so cute. So. And that one says, Jolly, Merry, Happy, Joyful, and Holiday. I think that is cute. And it is in a basically the candy cane cuz with a pink in it. That's too cute. And then this one says, let it snow. It's cute. Then that's the gnome. Then this one says, let it snow. Sorry, wait a minute. Oh, that is so cute. It says, let it snow. And this is what it looks like on the tag. And it comes with two. Let me see what the price is. They don't have the price, I don't see. Yeah, they don't have a price on this, so I would say this is probably like 30 this. Probably not even this. Probably about like $40 something probably. Could get 2 pillows. So, Then you got that one, the farmhouse style. Yep, farmhouse. That's too cute. Then you got this small one. Home for the holidays. And it's a red truck. And it's a black style. That's too cute. They're so beautiful. You got those up there. You can go with these if you want to. Got these details. Snowflake details. And this is on a glass. So there you go. That's how it looks. I like this right here. That right there is really cute. And that is $4.99. That's too cute. You can actually DIY that if you wanted to. They got boxes like this at Dollar Tree. These boxes are at Dollar Tree, and you can just do that. That's what they have at Dollar Tree. I might end doing it myself. You know what? I'm gonna do something like this for you guys, so that way you can see how to make it this type of design from Ross or whatever, from Marshalls, whatever, and get the products on stuff from Dollar Tree and make it look like it's made from Ross or Marshalls or other places like that. And that's what I'm gonna do. So be on the lookout for this compare contrast DIY. So yeah, coming soon. This is so cute. And then here's some other stuff they got. Then they got some clothes. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Voluches.